Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances straightforward and stress-free. Today, we're diving into the How to Fix Electrolux Oven F11 Error Code 2025 video. If your Electrolux oven is flashing that pesky F11 code, don't worry, it's often something you can handle at home with a few simple steps. First off, let's quickly understand what this error means. The F11 code typically signals a problem with the oven's control board, possibly due to a stuck key, a wiring issue, or even a runaway temperature sensor. It's not uncommon, especially in older models, but the good news is that a reset or basic troubleshooting can often resolve it. Before we jump in, safety first. Always unplug your oven from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. Once that's done, start by inspecting the control panel. Gently press each button to check for any that might be stuck or unresponsive. If you find one, clean it with a soft cloth and a bit of isopropyl alcohol. Be careful not to use anything abrasive that could damage the surface. Next, try a hard reset. This is like giving your oven a fresh start. Unplug it for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. If the error persists, you might need to delve a little deeper. Check the oven's wiring connections behind the control panel, but only if you're comfortable with basic electrical work. Make sure everything is securely connected and free of any burn marks or damage. If these steps don't clear the code, it could be time to call in a professional technician, especially if your oven is under warranty or if you're unsure about handling internal components. Remember, attempting repairs beyond your expertise could void your warranty or cause more harm. There you have it. That's how you tackle the F11 error on your Electrolux oven in 2025. We hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any other appliance woes. Stay safe and happy fixing.